This cartoning machine is vertically constructed, 2,150 mm in length, 1,140 mm in width, costing less than 3 square meters, so convenient. To package blister packs, bottles, tubes, facial cleanser, unguent, and other products into cartons, reaching a max output of 125 cartons per minute. This cartoner is small but is never belittled, for it's highly automated. It can automatically complete the whole cartoning process, including product feeding, carton suction, carton forming, package insert folding up to 4 folds, package insert packing into cartons, products packing into cartons, batch number imprinting, and tucking and sealing of cartons. Intelligent carton packing. This machine in real time monitors the filling quantity of each carton with densely distributed monitoring sensors. Firstly, package inserts are monitored for 3 rounds of checks. If the machine detects no package insert, the whole carton will be rejected. Second, the product quantity is monitored. If it does not meet the set quantity, it will be auto-rejected. Thirdly, the placement of cartons is also monitored. If a carton fails to be opened, the machine automatically stops. The feeding mechanism employs a servo motor, which offers higher speed. Additionally, world-renowned brands such as Schneider and Siemens are used for electrical components, ensuring equipment quality. Last but not least, this cartoning machine can be connected with a text labeling machine, forming an integrated packing line. If you need support, Rich Packing is always here to provide packaging solutions.